Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact support in Inshot app. Inshot is a popular video editing application and sometimes users may need assistance with technical issues, subscription problems or the features inquiries, and in this tutorial we will explain how to contact Inshot support directly from the app to get professional help. First, you need to launch your Inshot app on your phone. And once you reach into this dashboard of your photo, video or the collage, you need to select the setting gear icon located in the top right corner of the main screen. And over here we can find this setting interface. Scroll a bit down until you find this Q&A under the language. And over here we can find this help. If you want help with the video editing, you can select to this as well. You merge videos, any of the support here. But if you want to submit a request, navigate to the contact support. On the bottom there's a contact, select there YouTube, TikTok or email. As I'm going to select to this email here, simply select any of the subject that you are getting troubled in the Inshot, and you can also select attach to a screenshot if you want to, and you can send an email. And contacting support through the Inshot app is straightforward via the setting help. Providing clear information ensures you receive timely and effective assistance for any app related issues. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.